Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Google Play balance and ensuring it has enough funds for the recharge. Open the Play Store and check the balance at the top of your payment methods. Sign into the exact Google account tied to the balance. Once done, update the Play Store app if needed and enable a stable Wi-Fi or mobile connection. Make sure you know your payment PIN or biometric lock, because the next steps will ask for quick authorization. This prevents payment failures. Next, open the mobile operator or wallet app where you want to recharge and choose the prepaid top-up option. Enter the recipient phone number and select the recharge amount, then pick Google Play balance from the available payment methods. If Google Play isn't listed, choose Add Payment Method and select Google Play balance in the Play billing options. Authorize the transaction using your PIN, fingerprint, or the Google prompt. Wait for the app to confirm the charge and the Play balance to be debited. Finally, confirm the recharge by checking the carrier SMS or the app's balance update. Verify that the paid amount reflects in your plan. If you don't see confirmation, make sure the Play balance was actually debited and that your Google account country and payment profile allow carrier recharges. If a charge occurred but the recharge didn't apply, note the transaction ID and contact the carrier first. If unresolved, escalate to Google Play support with screenshots and the transaction details for a refund or reversal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.